Hello children, today we are going to study a new topic, that is the endocrine system. As you already studied about the digestive system that helps in digestion, you know about the respiratory system, helps in unlocking the energy stored in food. So now we'll study about the endocrine system, which works with the nervous system. It works with the it works with the nervous system and helps to regulate the process related to changes in the human body during adolescence. During adolescence, children. What is it? The endocrine system works with the nervous system and it helps to regulate the processes related to the changes in the human body during the adolescence. In other words, what we can say, children, that the endocrine system helps the body to attain the reproductive maturity, to attain the reproductive maturity. Okay. Now children, a number of ductless glands make up the endocrine system. And what does they do? These glands secrete chemicals that are called as hormones. What are they known as? They are known as hormones. Okay. They are called as hormones. The endocrine system consists of a collection of the endocrine system the endocrine system consists of collection of specialized organs that secrete particular chemical substances called glands, and these glands are located at specific places inside our bodies. These glands are located on the specific places inside our bodies, and the chemical released by these glands, the chemicals the chemicals released by these glands, what are they known as? That are known as hormones. They are known as, children, they are known as hormones, are released directly into the bloodstream. They are released directly into the they are released directly into the bloodstream, and they act as a chemical messengers. What does they do? They act as a chemical messengers. Okay. Now what is the role of these hormones, children? The hormones regulate processes such as growth, behavior, development, reproduction. These hormones, they regulate the processes. What are that, children? That is growth, behavior, reproduction, children, and development. Growth, reproduction, behavior. Okay, children, and development also. There are many endocrine glands in the body. Now what are that, children? There are many endocrine glands, that is pituitary gland, thyroid gland, okay, that is adrenal gland, pancreas, ovaries and testes. These are the major glands. What are that, children? These are the major glands. What are the major glands? That is pituitary gland, adrenal, thyroid, pancreas, ovaries and testes. Okay. Now the pituitary gland is also called as a master gland. Pituitary gland is also called as a master gland of the body. It controls the release of hormones from other endocrine glands. What is the main function of this pituitary gland? It is known as a this one master gland of the body, because it controls the release of hormones. What does it do? It controls the release of it controls the release of hormones from other endocrine glands. This is, and what is the location of the pituitary gland? It is the base of the brain. Okay. Now, next it is, children, for the pituitary gland. I would like to tell you about the pituitary gland, that the location, this is known as a master gland, as it produces several hormones which control the activities of other endocrine glands. The growth hormone stimulates growth in the body, and the thyroid stimulating hormone stimulates thyroid gland. Other hormones secreted from this gland stimulate testes and ovaries. Okay, this was about the pituitary gland. Now the thyroid gland. Now the thyroid gland. Thyroid gland, thyroxine hormone affects metabolism and has an effect on the growth of the individual. Iodine is needed for the synthesis of thyroxine. If there is less intake of iodine in an individual's diet, then what happens? That suffers from goiter. The symptoms of this disease include enlargement of the thyroid and neck region. The eyes also bulge out. To prevent this disease, iodized salt should be taken. Now, what is the location of this thyroid gland, children? That thyroid, it is the base of the throat. Base of the throat. Okay. Base of the thyroid. It regulates body metabolism and plays an important role in the growth and development. Inability of the body to produce this hormone may result in a disease called goiter. Now, which hormone is secreted by it, children? The name of that hormone is thyroxine. Okay. Now, the next one is adrenal gland. What is the location of this adrenal gland? It is near the kidney, children. What is the location of this gland? That is near the kidney. Location is near the kidney. Okay. Adrenal, an important hormone released by these glands, helps an individual in overcoming stress. It increases children heartbeat, breathing rate, blood pressure and glucose level in the blood, which gives the necessary energy. What does it they give? They give the necessary energy to fight the stressful state, because energy is required to fight the stressful state. It is also known as a fight or flight hormone, children. What is it also known as? Fight or flight hormone. Okay. It is because of this hormone the body experiences emotional states such as anger and excitement. Now, about the next one, it is about pancreas, children. It releases the hormone, that is insulin. What is the location of this pancreas? It is near the liver. The location is near the liver. Near the liver, pancreas. The location is near the liver. Which hormone does it secrete? It secretes the hormone that is insulin. Okay. And Insulin lowers the blood glucose level. People who have a deficiency of insulin in their body suffer from diabetes. This is a disease in which blood glucose level increases to a greater extent and sugar is excreted out in the urine. Now next one is the ovaries. The location is in females they are two in number. Ovaries in female they are two in numbers and the location is the pelvic region. Okay, and the name of the hormone it is estrogen. Okay, name of the hormone estrogen. What is the role? They produce the female sex hormone that is estrogen, which helps in the development of what children, that are the secondary sexual characters in a girl. And the another hormone is children progesterone is also released from the ovary. Now next is the testes. It secretes the male sex hormone that is testosterone. That is testosterone. For the testes, which hormone is secreted, that is called as a testosterone. Okay. And what is the location of these testes? Male genital organ. They are also two in number, children. It controls the development of secondary sexual characteristics such as facial hairs in male. Okay, now about the hormones, as I have told you that the hormones act like chemical messengers. They carry messengers for the organs to function in a particular way. So hormones speed up, slow down or alter the activities of these organs according to the message. And just you know about the endocrine system also now, children. There are a number of ductless glands make up the endocrine system, and these glands secrete chemicals that are known as hormones. And what is the role of hormones? Hormones regulate process such as growth, development, behavior and reproduction. Okay, then we have discussed about the master gland. We have discussed about the master gland, children, and fight or flight, hence it also known as fight or flight hormone. That is adrenal gland is called the gland of emergency because it releases the hormone which is known as epinephrine or adrenaline, which prepares the body to act when we are in stressful or potentially dangerous situation. So they are known as fight or flight hormone. Okay, children. Hormones play an important role, children, for what? In the growth and development of the body, especially during which period? That is adolescence. That is adolescence. Okay, children? Fine, children? Okay, thank you so much.